US crude and NG both trading bullish after the crude data yesterday. After the inventories data yesterday, US crude has seen a good bounce back. Now, what is going to happen today? Which position you should take in order to make profit? We will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. First, we'll look into US crude, followed with NG. Let's start the day. Right now, US crude trading at 92.1 levels. And if you look at the hourly chart, see this is the after a little consolidation here, getting the support at 91, it is trying to rise, and you can see this is a flat top here on the hourly charts. It is getting a resistance but not willing to break past by. Now you have to be watchful at 91.7. If you see it trading below 91.7, yes, you can go short there, but be cautious of 91. Today, important level is 91, and then 90.2 below that it may crash. Else, right now it appears, see, after a consolidation, it is looking forward to a breakout. Possibly, we can see it continuing this momentum. Directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought, MACD is bullish. RSI is near to top but looking downwards now. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, similar is the story. After this consolidation, it is trying to rise. It is trying to trade in this channel. The highs of this channel are somewhere at 93 levels. Only short entry I will recommend. If you see it trading below 91.7, below 91.7, you can stay short, but then you have to be watchful of 91.4, 91. 91 is the major support level. Below that, you can expect 90.2, and below that, it may crash again. On the upside, yes, 93 levels definitely should provide a resistance. Beyond that, it will fly. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic looking upwards. MACD is bullish. RSI looking upwards here. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, likewise on the 3-hour charts, one green candle, consolidation for multiple candles, again a breakout candle. See, this is trading at the top and outside of the Bollinger Bands. Also, if you look at the 100 period moving average, is going to give it a little resistance at 92.8 and then 93. So that is why I say be cautious of this. Also look at this. See, this is an expanding triangle on the 3-hour charts. On the downside, 91 level should provide 91.2, 91 level should provide a very strong support, and that is why I say yes, if you are taking a short entry at 91.7, be cautious of 91.4, 91.2, and 91 till 91. It can reverse again, so you have to keep trailing your stop loss such that even if it reverses, your trade closes in profit. At the same time, below 91, yes, you can remain further bearish and it is going to drop. See, there is a bullish crossover happening on the 3-hour charts that you have to be watchful of. Directional movement, if you see the stochastic, this is overbought and now looking downwards. The MACD is white, divergent and bullish here. And if you look at the RSI, this is looking upwards. On the 4-hour charts, if you look at one green candle, consolidation, another green candle. Look at the body size of this candle. See, the candle size is diminishing. The bulls are not very much there. They are not willing to take it on the upside. Yes, it is getting the resistance from the top of the Bollinger Bands. Yes, and also look at this previous candle, lower lows, lower higher highs, indicates it is trying to swing. It may come back till towards 91.4 levels before looking forward to a rise there. Directional movement is bearish. It is willing to cross over for a bullish move. Stochastic is overbought here. And if you look at the MACD, it is bullish. The RSI, this is sloping upwards, indicating there is little bullishness there. Now coming back to the daily charts here. See, on the daily charts, previous candle, lower highs, lower lows, and this is a breakout here. Now also if you look at the breakout, see, one thing is, this is the channel it is trying to trade in, but this is going to be a narrowish channel where the bulls may not be there or take charge completely. So you have to be watchful of 93 levels. Beyond 93, definitely one can still expect that beyond 93 we may see it flying for 93.5 and then 95 levels. So you have to be cautious there, and below 91.7, yes, you can go short. The directional movement is bearish. Stochastic again looking upwards. The MACD on the other hand has just crossed over. It is white divergent and it is still bullish. This is a bullish crossover, and RSI is looking upwards. Also look at the daily charts here. So as I said, see, it may come back, but yes, the support there at 91.4 could be there, and then 91. If you see it trading below 91, then only you can go short and stay short, else it may continue to rise. See, safe entry right now appears. One can go short at 91.7 and you can buy at 92.5. Do not trade in between 91.7 and 92.5. Above 92.5 you can expect 93, 93.5 and then 95 directly. On the downside, if it breaks below 91.7, be cautious till 91. In between, it has got a resistance at 91.4. Below that, it may hit 91, and below 91, we can see a strong drop. Then 90.2 and 88 levels will come into picture. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss. Keep trailing your stop losses till it trades between 91 and 93. You have to trail the stop loss. So trade accordingly. Now let's have a look at NG. See NG on the hourly charts, if you look, bullish move, retracement, is a bullish candle, consolidation, and now it is again trying to rise high. Also, if you look at the channel, see bulls are not very much there. Only short entry I will recommend. If you see it trading below 82.7, below 82.7, you can go short. Then 8.27, below 8.27 you can go short for 8.2 levels, and below 8.2 you can again see it dropping till the time it trades below. Beyond 8.27 you can stay long, and then you can expect it to rise, but be cautious of 8.35. Beyond 8.35 we can further see it rising more. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is overbought on the hourly charts. MACD has just crossed over and it is trading in red, remember. RSI is overbought, and if you look at the 2-hour chart, see on the 2-hour charts, one bullish breakout candle, another bullish candle, then retracement, a smaller bullish candle, then a retracement, and then a further small bullish candle. Now you can clearly see it is trying to trade in this narrow zone. Any breakout below 82.7, yes, you can go short there and expect it to drop for 8.27, sorry, below 8.27 you can go short for 8.2, and then below that it will come back till towards $8 levels. On the upside, breaking beyond 8.35, yes, you can go long for 8.4 and 8.5 levels. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic looking upwards. MACD is green trading bullish, trying to converge. RSI near to overbought levels. If you look at the 3-hour chart, interestingly on the 3-hour chart, so similar is the story. See, if you consider this is the highs of this channel, this is the lows of this channel. The highs are well situated at around 8.4 levels, 8.35 levels, and hence it may try to attempt and achieve this. Yes, you can go long at 8.35. Beyond that you can expect 8.38 and then 8.444 and 8.5 levels. On the downside, yes, if it trades below 8.27, go short, and below 8.27 you can expect that it may drop till towards 8.2, and below that it may crash heavily on the downside. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is overbought. Remember, stochastic is extremely overbought. MACD is also extremely wide and divergent and bullish. RSI is overbought, indicates that possibly it may come down. Now look at the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour charts, you can see higher highs there, higher lows there, and higher highs. See the highs of this channel at around 8.38 levels. It may fail to achieve this zone. You have to be watchful till the time it trades below above 8.27. You should not go short. Rather, you can go short 8.26, and then you can expect that it may drop further till towards 8.2 levels. On the upside, you have to be watchful of 8.38 and 8.4 levels. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic is overbought. Remember, it is trading overbought. MACD is wide divergent and extremely bullish. It may start to converge from here, indicates that probably we may not see the bullishness there. RSI is also near to top, and if you look at the daily charts, now looking at the daily charts, it has got the support precisely at 7.5, trying to rise from there, but at the same time one must look forward to that it is trying to get the resistance on the top of this channel, which is the high there. So yes, you can go long, but only long entry I will recommend is beyond 8.35. Above 8.35 we can still see it rising for 8.4, 8.5 levels. On the downside, yes, if you see it trading till 8.27, do not short, but yes, if you see it trading below 8.27, go short for 8.24, 25, and then 8.2. Below that, yes, it is going to reverse, and it may see a strong crash on the downside, which will bring it till towards $8, 7.95 and 7.8 levels. So directional movement bullish. Stochastic looking upwards. MACD is in red, trying to converge. RSI trading flat. Considering this, you can go long at 8.35 levels, and you can go short at 8.27. Larger no trade zone is between 8.4 and 8.4 and 8.2 levels. In between these $0.2, you have to be you should trade with the extra caution and with the stop loss, and with the strict stop loss and trailing stop loss rather I would prefer. So yes, do not trade between 8.27 and 3.35. Go long above 8.35. The target is towards 8.4. On the downside, it is going to sell once it trades below 8.27. You can expect 8.24 and 8.2 should provide a support. Below that, it may break heavily for 8.1, 7.95, 8 and 7.8 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, 15 days 90 minutes daily, and definitely the strategies taught will help you become a profitable and proficient trader. Also, you can be part of my signals group. Reach out to me for more details. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can join my free telegram channel to keep yourself updated with the latest updates. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.